So when before I got an FD, I actually bought a custom subwoofer enclosure. I actually had no intentions of getting one, but I picked up this front bumper piece for a car I actually didn't get. So check it out. Here it is. I believe it's a 10. It's all Alcantara. So it's 3 pieces. That's the right side, the left side, and the top, I'm guessing. So I'm gonna try putting this in. I don't know when I'm gonna hook it up, but pretty neat piece. The whole bottom is, I don't know what it's made of, to be honest with you. But solid. That's where the spare tire all goes. This whole section looks like a pretty nice piece, and it's silver to match the car. So I'm pretty excited to see what that's gonna look like in here. I'm like so eager to install it. Grab a light. Alright. So this is the carpet I got now. That was the title to the car. As I get pulled over, I hit it back there. I wonder what these little guys are for. All over. Maybe for the factory stuff. Anyway. Pretty happy that there's like no rust really in this thing at all. And coming from Japan, you never really know, but it seems very clean. I don't even know if this is the correct spare, but it looks brand new. So here it is. It should just pop in. I'm hoping I don't need to take off these covers. Got washers, some bolts. So let's try that. So that looks awesome in there, but I'm not sure if this plastic's supposed to go above it or below it. This plastic right here. That's the first piece. We'll put the rest in. Alright, second piece is in. I am loving this. This had little legs on it to make it the exact same height. Wow. One more piece. Alright, that last piece is in. That was a tough one to put in actually, because the way this is shaped, it's like perfect little curves. Made it tough. Man, this thing is nice. I cannot believe how nice this is. I mean, I might as well tell you, I got this for, I was gonna get a red Rx7 and the front bumper was all messed up, so I found a guy selling a lip that covered like the whole center of the bumper, factory bumper. It was made by Racing Beat. It's actually a rare part. And the guy was selling it for $75 for the bumper, and he was in California. It's a little bit of a drive. So I was on my way there. I said, anything else you got? And he goes, yeah, I got this custom sub mount here, sub box. I was like, that's pretty nice. How much you want for it? He's like, oh, 75. I was like, what? When I got it, I had no idea it was going to be this nice. Oh, let's see, I pushed that speaker panel forward. So that's supposed to go on top. Ooh, how does that go? Let's go in there. I'll do some fine tuning, but so it's a 10-inch JL, matches the car, and then the slots right here, because you're supposed to mount the amp right here. The wires go through there, so you don't have wires everywhere. I'm going to use an amp that's not that impressive. This guy. Just because I have it laying around. It's a Crunch. I've never even heard of Crunch. Crunch ground pounder. I was right. So I mean, I guess I could just mount like that. I don't know. Nothing special. It kind of matches. I don't know. We'll figure that out later. But what else I'm excited about is I can take this out. So I didn't want to show the amp, but I don't really have a choice. But I take this carpet. Yep. I can still cover it up. It's totally hidden until I get my tint done. That's currently a problem. Awesome. I'm pretty excited. I did buy a whole kit to throw it in. Right here, eBay, 20 bucks. It's actually a lot bigger gauge than I was wanting. It's like a 2 gauge or something when I need like a 6 for as little power as I'm going to run. Because of everything I need, it was 20 bucks. So I might install it. The car came with I should probably light up a little bit. It's a Pioneer deck, nothing fancy, it's just a single din. I'll replace that with a double later. But yeah, I'm going to do a little tweak on this. Thanks for watching.